Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vinati from the Muhammadiyah University of Surakarta. I will present an article entitled Implementing Assessment of Learning in the 21st Country Mathematics Learning Oriented to the Merdeka Curriculum. Introduction 1. The learning process incomplete an assessment in the form of an assessment of learning will be crossed out. The complaint of the learning process does not only occur at the end of each semester or the end of each year, as well as at the end of each level of education taken. However, in Merdeka curriculum, the complaint of the learning process can also take place at the end of every learning assessment. In other words, if its education contains an assessment to regain every assessment of learning outcome, then every time the learning process incomplete, then the education has contact to the so-called assessment of learning at the end of the learning process. From the above description, the research are asked to know the implementation of the assessment of learning in mathematics learning. Accordingly, the conducts a study entitled The Implementation of the Assessment of Learning in Merdeka Curriculum Oriented Mathematical Learning. The purpose of the study was to describe the implementation of the assessment of learning as the final assessment of the learning process in the 21st Country Mathematics Learning Oriented to Merdeka Curriculum. Methods. The methods used in the study is descriptive qualitative research, SIDIQ and query, searching to find and understand the central symptom in qualitative research. The subject of the study was junior high school mathematics teacher in Temanggung regions who are also members of the mathematics teacher from and have implemented the Merdeka curriculum, which amount to 20 teachers. Data collection was conducted through questionnaire, interview, and documentation. Result and discussion. The results show that all mathematics teachers has implemented the final assessment of the learning process of the 21st Country Mathematical Learning Oriented to Merdeka Curriculum. They have implemented planning, implementation process, and follow-up of the final assessment of the learning process, although not full-fledged adjust to the flow of curriculum policies that are continually under improvement. Beside on the above narrative of respondents answer, we can conclude that all mathematics teachers in Temanggung regions have implemented the assessment of learning at the end of the learning outcome. The implementation the assessment of learning under the interdisciplinary instruction and assessment guidelines. Each school has a choice of freedom to choose to them from implementing the assessment of learning with prioritizing the number of rules of assessment. The way to implement assessment of learning decide on assessment technology may include multi-choice or essay test and performance-based technical quiz. Conclusion. In conclusion, the study found that the final assessment of the learning process which also functions of the summative assessment in the 21st Country Mathematical Learning Oriented to the Merdeka curriculum has been very helpful for teachers, especially mathematics teachers in Temanggung regions. When our students learning outcome at the end of learning and the achievement of planned learning of object as well as use is a communication tool between educator, learning and parents. Research on the study results. The research has have several suggestions for future research. Namely, one, study on the implementation assessment of learning as the final assessment of the learning process in the 21st country. Mathematics learning oriented to the medical curriculum can be used as of reference for other educational assessment research. 2. Needs to conceptual research reality to the implementation of assessment of learning as the final assessment of the learning process in the 21st country. Mathematics learning oriented to the Merdeka curriculum. 3. Police cooperation with the community of mathematics subject to facilitate any study of research related to data collection. Choose the presentation for today is been closed. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.